If you use this cinnamon and 7 sugars, that job will all be yours. Because when you use cinnamon and sugar, mix everything together and start using it this way, the angel of delivering will going to deliver your message to the God, and your message will be granted. My name is Miracle. I always create the videos on how to make spiritual tips. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can make a powerful spiritual cleansing to achieve what you want. Let's go there. So first thing you need is rainwater. You really need rainwater. Rainwater that doesn't touch anything, not the one that comes from the, that touches the leaves and the zinc. No, you don't need that one. You need the one that comes from above, like from the sky. You get them. When you fetch that one, it's very important. You don't need that one to touch anything. When you get it, you are good to go. 7 spoons of cinnamon. Then when you have 7 spoons of cinnamon, 7 seed of sugar. When you put 7 seed of sugar inside, after 6 a.m. in the morning, let's say 7 a.m. in the morning. Then when you put everything inside the water, we don't mix it inside the water. Then dip your 2 hands inside the water. Then pray that you really need the job. Anyone, anybody. Then you want to rank first, like first. When you said everything, you know what to say. I don't know what's in your mind. You know what kind of job you are dealing with, or what kind of job you want. When you done everything, said everything, then go ahead and bath with the water. As you bath with the water, be praying in your heart. This is 100. Do not joke with this. This is really working. Then when you done everything, please take your clothes, wear your clothes, then go to the job. Go to the job, and you will get the job 100%. You will come back here and thank me. I'm Miracle Wilson. I always create this that shows people how to make spiritual tips. Don't forget, you will come back for testimony. Thanks for choosing this video. Make sure you followed me, because when you follow me, you give me the privilege to keep on creating videos for you guys. See you in next video.